Alright guys, so quick update on the Zippo testing here. Just for my own curiosity, I want to see what would happen if I let these burn for about 4 to 5 minutes like last time. Alright, and clearly we have the same problem with both lighters, with the gasket or without the gasket. This obviously comes down to a Zippo shouldn't burn too long. This is obviously what's going to happen regardless. Alright, so let me put these out right now just for safety purposes. Let those cool off a little bit. But yeah, I was doing the 1 minute testing, you know, and the increments were just so low that I wanted to kind of speed up the process a little bit, and I figured, all right, well, I'll do these 5 minute burns again. Now, originally I thought that was happening because of the gasket, but it's not. And realistically, I've never used a Zippo, I don't think, for more, you know, than 30 seconds at a time, 60 seconds at a time. A couple times in the past, you know, I've left Zippos open to let all that fuel evaporate if I was going to ship it, because obviously you're not supposed to ship lighters with the fuel in there. But I've never just had one lit for a couple minutes at a time. So it's a really interesting observation. I thought originally the gasket had something to do with that weird burning, but this one doesn't have the gasket, and obviously I had the same problem. So, you know, I wouldn't have a Zippo lit for more than, I guess, a minute. A minute seems pretty safe, but as that whole lighter warms up, I don't know what happens, you know, from a scientific standpoint, but obviously that's not good. All right, so quick tip, don't let a Zippo burn, you know, for more than a minute or so. But anyway, I'm gonna let these things cool off completely and continue the testing as normal, you know, and go from there.